Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your HubSpot credentials. This gets you into your account dashboard where you can access all the customization tools and settings for your marketing materials. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings menu and it's where all the important configuration options live. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up the main settings panel. Once the settings panel opens, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see several sections listed vertically. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Tools. This is where HubSpot organizes all the different platform features and modules you can configure. Now, under the Tools section, locate the Marketing option and click on it. This expands the marketing-related settings, giving you access to everything from email templates to landing pages and forms. Since we're working with forms today, this is exactly where you need to be. Within the marketing subsection, you'll see an option for forms. Click on it to access the form configuration area. This is the central hub where you can manage both individual form settings and global styling options that apply across all your forms. Once you're in the forms section, take a look at the top of the page. You'll notice there are multiple tabs available. Make sure you're on the Styles tab. This tab is specifically designed for controlling the visual appearance of your forms, including colors and fonts, so it's essential you're in the right place before making any changes. Now that you're on the Styles tab, you'll see several customization options displayed on the screen. The main ones you'll be working with are label color, button color, and font color. These settings allow you to establish a consistent visual identity across all your HubSpot forms, which is important for maintaining brand consistency. To change any of these colors, simply click on the color picker next to each option. A color selection window will appear, allowing you to choose from a palette, enter a specific hex code, or use the color slider to find the exact shade you want. Select the color that aligns with your branding or design preferences for each element. After you've adjusted the colors to your liking, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply your changes. This ensures that all your new global form colors are locked in and will be used across your HubSpot forms moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot, giving all your forms a unified and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.